Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my new Arabic series. Today we are going to learn lesson number 17, Arabic alphabet. In this video we are going to learn one Arabic alphabet and the Arabic words that start with that Arabic alphabet. इस वीडियो में हम एक अरेबिक अल्फ़ाबेट को पढ़ेंगे और अरेबिक वर्ड्स को पढ़ेंगे जो उस वर्ड से स्टार्ट होंगे. आर यू रिमेंबर दिस वर्ड? This is ghain. This is ghain. Now we will learn this letter with vowel signs. First of all, if you visit first time my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Ghain fatha gha, ghain dhamma ghu, ghain kasra ghi. Now we will read together. Gha, ghu, ghi. Gha, ghu, ghi. Okay, now we will learn Arabic words that start with ghain. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. The first one, ghab, forest. Let's repeat. Ghab, forest. Ghab, forest. Forest mean jungle. Okay, the next one, ghazal, deer. Let's repeat. Ghazal, deer. Deer mean heron. Okay, the next one, ghassala, washing machine. Let's repeat. Ghassala, washing machine. Ghassala, washing machine. Okay, the next one, gharib, stranger. Let's repeat. Gharib, stranger. Gharib, stranger. Okay, the next one, ghubar, dust. Let's repeat. Ghubar, dust. Dust mean dool. Ghubar, dust. Okay, the next one, ghita, cover. Let's repeat. Ghita, cover. Congratulations, we have completed this video. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Wada'a araka kariban. Goodbye. See you soon.